Good morning, YouTube. Look at this. Beautiful skies. Birds flying, chirping. Barely even a cloud in the sky. 60 degrees, slight breeze. Man, is it beautiful. But guess what? It's not gonna last. We got 80% chance of rain later today. So I got something for you. Here's what we're gonna do. We got my buddy coming over. He's got a 71 bay window, okay? He needs to replace the gas tank. Rust is getting through the fuel system into the carburetor, clogging the carburetor. You know what kind of issues that causes. So, that being said, we're gonna swing down this morning, grab the new fuel tank, come back, we're gonna yank the motor out, put the new tank in, new fuel lines. I got a carburetor over there soaking. We're gonna swap carburetors, give him one of mine. Why? Because it's real simple. He doesn't have a garage and I do, and there's 80% chance of rain. So we're going to make it happen, put some plans on hold, and we're going to get this thing up and going. So, I'll try to get as much as I can on video and take you guys along for the ride. Till then, have fun. Yep. Needs carburetor. Alright, motor's out. Time lapse. Wasn't that nice? So, on the bus, there's the gas tank up in there behind the firewall. So we'll go ahead and pull the gas tank out, get that swapped out, and then inside here we got a 31 pit carburetor. We'll go ahead and rebuild and stick back on there. But here's 71 Bus Adventures. You can find them on Instagram. Back up here so you can get a little bit better look. This thing literally came out of a field. He spent about a year working on it. All new brakes, transmission, engine. I mean, complete electrical, wiring, everything. It's a badass bus, man. Badass bus. We need to get it finished up, get these tweaks made, and let them get some more miles on this bitch. Alright, tank's about out. I'm draining the last little bit of gas out into the bucket, and then should go ahead and be able to pull the tank out and then start fitting the new one in. The new one definitely looks a little different. Thinking it might be more of a universal. If you notice over here, hold on, let me get in front of the camera. Over here, it kind of humps down a little bit, kind of for the straps. And the new one doesn't quite do that. Let me back you up here and show you. If you notice there, the new one does not have those little dimple downs on both sides. But there's like 3 inches of thread on the straps, so guess we'll find out. We'll stick her in there and see what she does. Stay tuned. Progress update. Fuel tank's in. All new lines ran. And then we swapped out, put some new gaskets on for the intake. Swapped from the 34 pick to a 3031 that I had laying around. So I soaked that for the last 24 hours. And we'll go ahead and get her put back in and see how she does. Nope. Try it again. Yep. Let's go for it. Round 2.